Morning, welcome back to Parrot. I'm your host Gabriel. 早上好，欢迎回到 Parrot. Today we're going to somewhere near, C5 the tent. 今天我们要去一个比较近的点儿 C5 the tent. 这个点儿人比较多。I was told maybe next week. By next week there will be another typhoon, so probably they cannot fly anymore next week. 据说下周又要有台风了，那就他们就又不能飞了。So whenever I have time, I like to take them out for fly. Okay, go, go, go. C5 to 10, 27 minutes. Let's go. Thank you. Let's check out who's here today. Oh, there's another one, another two. Oh. They're really afraid of camera.
Yeah. I don't know why.
To Amazon. Of course, Nova. Freefly. To Blue and Gold. To AGP. One Blue and Gold, one Green Wing, Hardy Queen, and Catalina. The Scarlet who always stay in the cage. Noah is flying with two Blue and Gold.
Bye-bye.
Oh, this is a long flight for Noah. Really long. Lance is still training his umbrella.
There's a lot of people I can pre-flight. I'm planning to pre-flight here, but there's a lot of people like.
You need a more wider place with less people. Yeah.
Yes.
I can only say so fucking great. Noah! Noah! These folks, they can really fly. Like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, something, fly. Yeah, look it's out. And there are two electors at the back. Yeah. Or three electors. We're about to do another flight.
Ready?
One, two, three. I honestly don't know. Oh, I can see Noah. Yeah. I see which one is Noah, but I don't know which one is Goofy. Noah! Okay, good time. Always run fast. And that's all today. Follow and or subscribe or give me some thumbs up. It's highly appreciated. And if you have, you can leave your comments down below to share your thoughts. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye.